The first thing to do is you're going to want to set your favorites folder up, and this will allow you easy access to your files. So you go to favorites, you right mouse click and you hit add directory. In my case, I've got to go to a folder called cartography and then short tutorial in class. So what you want to do is just click on that. You don't need to go inside the folder. You click on it and then hit select folder. And then it'll show up here. I've done it previously, which is why you see two of them. And then you'll basically see the file that you downloaded. In this case, it's this NE50M admid1 state. So what we're going to do is you could basically just drag this onto the white area on the screen. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the projection of the actual file. And then we're going to look at the projection of the project. So the first thing you can do is, if you're curious about what projection the file is in, you can basically right mouse click, hit properties, and then just look in the coordinate system and you can see this is a WGS 84. This is a geographic system. It's not projected. So it's basically the World Geodetic Survey 84. And again, it's not projected. So it's an unprojected file. It basically has a coordinate system, but it's not projected. The next thing I want you to look at is what we call the project coordinate system. So again, this is file specific and this is project specific. Meaning if you bring in other files, the software has the ability to on the fly move those files to this project's projection. So if we go to projects and we hit properties, this could be on something else, but you want to go to CRS. And in this case, right now, it's defaulting to the WGS 84. That's what also is the file that I just showed you is also in WGS 84. I did not take notice of the actual number, so let me look really quick again what the properties of the file was. So it was 4326. So the project looks like it's also 4326. Okay, so one of the things that I want everyone to do is, for example, we can have the project move essentially on the fly. It doesn't actually physically change the file projection, but it'll just on the fly move the data. You know, for example, let's say we pick this North American Lambert conformal and we hit apply. And we hit OK, and you can see now that the actual shape has changed. So with the conformal, the shape of North America, the shape of Canada that we see here, looks like it's supposed to look, you know, essentially when you look at a globe. Now the area is wrong, and you know, if you were going to calculate distances using this projection, you would be wrong, but it actually conforms to what the true shape is of these areas.